Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to create a guest network on ASUS TUF Gaming AX4200. Let's begin. So, I am currently on my admin dashboard. If you don't know how to get into it, you can always watch our first setup and create new network tutorials. Anyway, inside our admin dashboard, we want to navigate into Guest Network right under General tab. Click on it, and now we have few options. We have the ability to enable few different networks for 2.4 gigs option and 5 gig option. We can choose 2.4 gigs, and let's simply go with enable. We can now create our network. So we can go into it and, for example, name it something fancy like, I don't know, free Wi-Fi for free. It's free. I can't go if I mention that. Okay, so now by default we have open system authentication. We can actually leave it. It's usually what authentication you want to set on the guest network. Then we have access time. You can probably set it to, for example, few days or few hours. I will set it to 5 minutes, so it actually disappears after a moment. And you can also enable or disable bandwidth limiter with other things like access intranet, which is pretty funny because by default it's disabled. You can also enable guest network on a mesh, but this only works if you have a mesh and also MAC filter. So you can simply just hit apply. We are now applying settings, and this will take few moments to apply, so I will just pause the recording. So as you can see, the percentage is almost done, and we have our nice guest network. Note that actually this still took some time away, but now we have the ability to, for example, disable it or to enter it and make a few changes. So I will add few more minutes. For example, let's make it 15 minutes. And once again, we can apply the settings, but once again, it will take few minutes. So make sure that you have few more minutes added, because the process also takes about 1 or 2 minutes. So after 1 minute about, we have new settings, and as you can see, time remaining is now changed. So for our admin dashboard through the PC, that's all, but let's not forget about our friends here at mobile. First of all, let's actually check if we can see our guest network. Let's enable our settings, let's head into Wi-Fi. We have our boring network, which is our base for ASUS, and we do have free Wi-Fi for free, which is free. And we would connect. Our Realme should say exactly that it is insecure, which is truth. But anyway, now we can create our new network. But first, let's connect to our normal one. Now we can head into ASUS Router application, and we can click the plus icon in the top right corner. Now we can go with Share Guest Network, and these two functions are really confusing, because if you click Share Wi-Fi with your family, you will just show the password of your normal network with the QR code, which is pretty stupid, because now if you will go with Share Wi-Fi with your friends, you have the ability to just create new guest network. As you can see, we have detected that we currently have one, but if you go to auto the generation, we can also just generate through mobile currently new one. So we can go with allow access to. We have custom, but I will go with 30 minutes. Let's go with OK. Now we are applying settings, and I have no idea why friends are worse than family, but yeah. And as you can see, we do have a nice kind of ugly name for the network, which is ASUS 642G Guest 2, with a Gloria important password, which is pretty funny. It's automatically generated, so it's not mine. But as you can see, you cannot have as many different options of customizing it as on the admin PC dashboard. And that's about it, to be honest. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.